In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted message on Facebook Messenger. We will walk through how to check if a conversation is actually archived rather than gone forever. Start by opening Messenger on your phone. When the app loads, you should land on your main chats list, with all your recent conversations stacked vertically. If you use Messenger every day, this screen might feel busy, so take a second and let everything finish loading. A common beginner mistake is thinking a missing chat means it is deleted, when many times it is just hidden in another section. Once Messenger is open, tap your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. This icon usually shows your current Facebook photo in a small circle. When you tap it, Messenger opens a new page filled with different options for your account and app settings. You are no longer on the main chat list here. You should see items like account details and preferences. If you still see message previews, you are not in the right place yet and should tap your picture again. From there, tap Archive Chats in the list. This entry is usually somewhere near the top half of the menu. When you select it, Messenger switches to a special view that only shows conversations you archived earlier. Think of this as a hidden storage drawer for chats you wanted out of your main list but did not erase permanently. Many people accidentally archive conversations when they swipe on a chat, so it is worth checking even if you do not remember doing it. Now, look for the conversation you thought was deleted. Scroll slowly through the archived list and read the names or group titles. You might also notice profile pictures that help you recognize people. If you remember a specific word from the chat, use the search bar at the top of the screen and type that in. The archive can hold a lot of history, so taking a moment to scan carefully often pays off. If you do not see the chat here, it was either never archived or it may have been permanently removed earlier. If you find the conversation, open the chat by tapping on it. Messenger will display the full message history that is still stored, including older messages you sent and received before it was archived. You can now read the messages, send new ones, and continue the conversation as normal. In many versions of the app, once you send a new message in an archived chat, Messenger moves it back to your main chats list automatically, so it becomes easy to find again later without returning to the archive page. You have now checked your archived chats in Messenger and brought a hidden conversation back into view. If this helped you recover your messages, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple Messenger tips.